This is Josh from Wohler Equipment. Today we're taking a look at a New Holland L454 skid loader. This skid loader has the gas Ford engine. This is the newer style, the 411 with electronic ignition. Very good condition with about 3,000 hours. Got a nice bucket. Good tread on the tires. This machine lifts about 1,200 pounds. Has the New Holland Super Boom vertical lift that they were known for. See here in the cab, got our hour meter, fuel gauge, ignition key. These machines did have a sequence seat, so you need to be in the seat and then buckle the seat belt in order to operate.